Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about devices of the year, the Apple iPad 10th generation. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or just someone who loves staying connected, this iPad promises to be a game changer. Stick around as we break down its features, performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. And don't forget, if you're thinking about grabbing one, I've left some affiliate links in the description below. Using them helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the design. The 10th Gen iPad features a sleek, modern look with a full-screen display and slim bezels. It's available in some gorgeous colors like silver, pink, blue, and yellow, so you can pick one that matches your style. The 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display is stunning, bright, vibrant, and perfect for streaming, gaming, or even editing photos and videos. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite show or sketching out your next masterpiece, this screen won't disappoint. Under the hood, the iPad 10th Gen is powered by the A14 Bionic chip. If you're not familiar, this is the same chip used in the iPhone 12 series, so you know it's fast. Multitasking is a breeze, apps load instantly, and even graphic-intensive games run smoothly. Plus, with iPadOS 16, you get features like Stage Manager for better multitasking and Apple Pencil support for all your creative needs. The Apple Pencil is a must-have accessory for this iPad, especially if you're into drawing, note-taking, or editing. The 10th Gen iPad now supports the 1st Gen Apple Pencil, and it works like a dream. Pair it with the new Magic Keyboard Folio, and you've got yourself a mini laptop setup. The keyboard is super responsive, and the trackpad makes navigating the iPad feel seamless. It's perfect for students or professionals who need a portable workstation. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The 10th Gen iPad has a 12MP rear camera and a 12MP ultra-wide front camera. The front camera is now positioned horizontally, which is a huge win for video calls and selfies. Plus, it supports center stage, so you're always in the frame, even if you're moving around. The audio is also impressive, with landscape stereo speakers that deliver clear, immersive sound. Whether you're on a Zoom call or watching a movie, the experience is top-notch. Battery life is another area where the iPad 10th Gen shines. Apple claims up to 10 hours of usage, and in my testing, it definitely delivers. Whether you're working, streaming, or gaming, this iPad will last you through the day without needing a charge. And when you do need to power up, the USB-C port makes it quick and convenient. Now, let's talk about the price. The iPad 10th Gen starts at $449 for the base model, which is a bit more expensive than its predecessor, but you're getting a lot of upgrades for that price. The larger display, improved cameras, and A14 Bionic chip make it a solid investment. If you're looking for a versatile tablet that can handle work, play, and everything in between, this is it. So, is the Apple iPad 10th generation worth it? Absolutely. It's a powerful, versatile tablet that's perfect for just about anyone. Whether you're a student, a creative, or just someone who loves tech, this iPad has something for you. If you're ready to grab one, check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.